In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful PDF using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser or the Canva app. On the home screen, find the Create a Design button at the top right and click it. In the search bar that appears, type Document, then select Document or A4 document from the results. Document gives you a flexible canvas sized for most on-screen reading, while A4 document matches the standard print size used in many regions, which is great if you plan to print later. Now choose how you want to begin. You can pick a ready-made template that matches your purpose or start with a blank page for total control. Templates are a huge time saver because they come with coordinated fonts, colors, and layout blocks. If you go with a template, swap in your own content. If you start blank, think about your main message and the visual style that supports it. Add your content next. Use the left toolbar to insert text boxes for headings, subheadings, and body copy. Bring in images, icons, and other elements by searching the library, then drag and drop them into place. Keep visuals relevant and high quality. Use frames or grids to keep photos neatly aligned, and rely on white space so the page doesn't feel crowded. Customize your fonts, colors, and layout to create a consistent look. Choose a clear heading font paired with an easy-to-read body font. Limit your palette to 2 or 3 colors for cohesion, and make sure contrast is strong enough for accessibility. Align items to guides for a tidy structure, and check spacing between elements so the eye flows naturally from one section to the next. If your PDF needs more than one page, add multiple pages using the Add Page option beneath your canvas. Keep page styles consistent. Reuse layout blocks, and carry over headers or footers so everything feels like one cohesive document. When you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right. From the menu, select Download. Under File Type, choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print. PDF Standard creates a smaller file that's ideal for emailing or posting online, while PDF Print preserves higher resolution for professional printing. Finally, click Download, wait for the file to process, and save it to your computer. You now have a polished, beautiful PDF ready to share or print.